Armstrong Flooring, a company known for its innovation and a brand that's built on resiliency, has reinvented itself. The refreshed look symbolizes the focused approach from this iconic brand. It begins with a revised logo. With a clean, modern appearance, it highlights Armstrong Flooring's cutting-edge attitude. Then, add an updated tagline, "Walk on, walk strong." What could better exemplify the dependability of the company and its products? The logo and tagline may be new, but the foundation remains to provide floors which blend beauty and performance. Recognized as being at the forefront of quality, Armstrong Flooring has streamlined its product catalog to concentrate on resilient options. Perhaps no other category has experienced more growth, specifically in the realm of luxury vinyl plank and luxury vinyl tile. This is where Armstrong Flooring shines. Fascinating choices that capture looks from timeless to trending can provide a room with character. The endearing traits discovered with their product line can match any design. The names of these stunning styles mirror the company's refined direction: empower, continuity, versatile. The list goes on. An abundance of options can mimic the appearance of tile, stone, or wood. Reimagine what's possible. At your local ProSource Wholesale showroom, you can experience and learn more about these phenomenal products. Beauty, durability, resiliency. These are the trademarks of this flooring pioneer who has rejuvenated itself. The appeal of this industry leader is evident in its own words: walk on, walk strong. Armstrong Flooring.